Guys, in this video, I will be giving you tips on how to buy and sell a stock as investors. Take note, as investors. This will surely help you gain in the stock market. Kaya kung interesado ka, let's start. Hello guys, hello friends, hello viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Pinoy Millionaires Academy. In today's video, magbibigay tayo ng ilang mahalagang tips on how to buy and sell a stock as investors.
Oh yeah!
But before we do that, kung bago ka pa lang sa ating channel at hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please hit that subscribe button below para lagi kang updated sa mga best content na ating ina-upload. We are making videos about Philippine stock market to help newbies and investors shorten their learning curve para sabay-sabay tayong kumita sa stock market.
Yes!
Kaya guys, samahan niyo ako in our journey in promoting financial literacy among all Filipinos. Our first tip is buy in tranches. Ibig sabihin nito guys, that if you have 50,000 pesos, for example, na gusto mong ibili ng isang particular stock, don't buy one time. Divide your capital into portions. And my suggestion is, divide it into 30, 30, and 40%. So kung meron kang allocation na 50,000 for a particular stock, let your first buy be 30% of that. Then, kung bumaba pa ang share price ng stock na binili mo, you can add up another 30%, which means another 15,000 pesos. At pag mas lalo pang bumaba, then you can add up the remaining 40%. And bakit beneficial ang tip na ito guys? Kasi di ba minsan, natatakot tayong bumili ng stock kasi iniisip natin na baka mas lalong bumaba yung price. Kaya naman, kapag hindi tayo nakabili at umangat na yung price, nanghihinayang din tayo. So para hindi tayo matakot o manghinayang, maglagay lamang tayo ng 30% sa unang buy na ating gagawin. This will allow us to buy more shares kapag bumaba pa yung share price ng stock na binili natin. And this will also allow us to average down if the market didn't go our way. But on the other hand, kapag naman tumaas na yung price, ay hindi ka rin manghihinayang. Kasi nga, naibili mo na yung part ng iyong allocation sa stock na yon. Maghihintay ka na lang ngayon na ma-hit mo yung target price para maibenta mo yung shares mo. This is one effective way of managing your risk, provided na yung binili mong stock is a good company, meaning it is undervalued, they have consistent earnings for the past 5 years, and they have higher potential growth. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung video na ginawa ko on how to choose good companies, I will put the link below in the description box para madali niyong mahanap because it will surely help you. And our tip number 2 is never chase the bottom. Ibig sabihin nito guys, na kapag pulang-pula yung ating candlestick, mataas yung selling pressure, and we have a strong bearish candle, never buy at any price on that level. Because no one really knows when and where the bottom will be. Let us make some examples to make it clear. Halimbawa nito guys, si FLI or si Philinvest Land Incorporated. Kung makikita ninyo, on February 3 ay umabot si FLI ng 1.42 pesos per share. At comparing to its historical prices, umabot na siya ng hanggang 2.05. So ngayon, kung iniisip mo na bibili dito sa level na to at 1.43, dahil nasa bottom na siya, without really analyzing the total picture. Kasi if you would notice, there is a strong selling pressure in this area. Ayan, pulang-pula yung ating candlestick dito for the past few days. Kaya pag binili mo siya at this level, halimbawa 1.43, thinking na nasa bottom na siya, that would cost you a lot because the following days ay mas bumaba pa yung price ni Philinvest at umabot ito ng 1.25 on February 28. Then if you are chasing at the bottom at bumili ka at this level without analyzing that there is a strong selling pressure in this area, that would also cause you another loss. Kasi mas lalo pa siyang bumaba from 1.23 at umabot hanggang 0.78 pesos per share on March 23. Ang pinakamagandang gawin guys is to wait for consolidation and correction. Like this one. Like this one here. Kung mapapansin nyo, naglalaro lang yung price ni Philinvest on this range. That means there is already consolidation and correction in the market. And the best time to buy would be near the support level of 0.89. Kasi kung makikita nyo, hindi na siya bumababa at this price ng ilang mga araw. So that would be the best time for us to start buying. And true enough, after some days ay umangat naman yung price ni Philinvest. Kaya ang ating tip number 2, for you to become profitable in the stock market is never chase the bottom. And our tip number 3 is sell at your target price. Ibig sabihin nito guys, na if you think, basing on the fundamentals of the company, na posibleng umabot ang price ng isang stock at 70 to 100% and yung target price mo is at 70%, for example, let us not settle for short-term gains. Let us be patient and wait for the price to hit our target price bago natin i-sell. Madalas kasi, natitempt tayo na ibenta yung ating shares dahil kumita ng konti. But let us remember na as investors, especially as value investors, patience is a key to succeed. Kaya kung gusto natin na ma-maximize yung ating profit, let us wait for some time until the share price reach our target price. And our tip number 4 is take profit or cut your losses. So kailan natin kailangan mag-take ng profit or cut our losses? Kapag bumili tayo guys ng isang magandang kumpanya and kumita tayo by some percentage, pero hindi pa rin niya na-hit yung ating target price. Kaya lang, may news na lumabas that could significantly reduce the share price of a stock. In that case, we have to take our profit before the price goes down. Isang halimbawa nito guys is si Ayala Corporation. Kung matatandaan ninyo na late last year ay nagbanta si Pangulong Duterte na kakasuhan ang mga Ayala. In that case, kung meron na tayong konting kita at the time of that news, mas maigi na mag-take profit na tayo to secure our gain. Ito yung mga exceptions doon sa ating tip number 3 na sell at your target price. On the other hand, when do we need to cut our losses naman? Gamitin pa rin natin si Ayala Corporation as an example. Kung nakabili ka ng shares ni Ayala Corporation, then after some time, bumaba yung price ng shares na binili mo. Sinabayan pa ngayon ng balita na ipakukulong nga ni Duterte ang mga Ayala. In that case, it's better to cut our losses right away than to incur huge losses. Isa pang magandang halimbawa when to cut our losses is ito nga ang nangyayaring pandemic ngayon. So kung nakabili ka ng stocks before the pandemic, tama lang na nag-cut loss ka at ibinenta mo ito bago lumawak yung epekto ng pandemic. Kasi kung titingnan natin, ang laki talaga ng ibinaba ng prices ng mga stocks noong mag-declare na ang WHO na isa nang ganap na pandemic si COVID-19. This will help you preserve your capital and buy the stock at a lower price. So that's it for today's video. And I hope na marami kayong natutuhan.
Oh, yeah!
See you in the next video. God bless.